Hey, in case you missed the last couple live shows, I just wanted to share with you as we are celebrating the 100,000th subscriber. So here's a couple clips from the live show when we hit the 100,000 mark and the award that followed the next couple of weeks. This is kind of happening really much faster. I will try and take questions. Hey, I see 100,000. Oh my goodness. Hang on one second. Let me put this back up so you can see it. Here we are. 100,000. Woohoo! Yes, I love it. And so we are now going to do the unboxing of the award from YouTube. Here it is on my desk. I've been dying to do this. I know we're a little over an hour into this program already, but you know, if you're still with me, thank you for hanging in there. And if you're a subscriber of the channel, thank you so much. And if you're not, I hope you'll subscribe and consider that. I'll open this up. So yeah, let me see if I can do this and still have it show on the screen. So they sent us a nice letter. I'm not going to read that due to time, but it basically says, do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100th and your 1000th, chances are you do. You'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. And yeah, we did that live too. So I'm trying to get this in a position where it can be seen. Let me set that aside. And there it is, the big award. Yes, yeah, this is so fun. So exciting. Yes. I know it's not exciting for you, but it is for me. It was a long time coming. It says presented to Genealogy TV for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, and yeah, I'm super excited. So that'll probably go up somewhere in the background, but yay, I got it. So fabulous. So there you have it. It's now in the background. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy the channel. There's well over 400 episodes to learn genealogy, with more coming. So stay tuned, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.